Good morning mga moms! So today I will show you how I styled our new sideboard sa living room. New kasi bagong bigay. Ayan. So tips po, I am not a pro but ito lang po yung tips ko when you are styling your sideboard or your cabinet. Find a focal point or the hero dun sa mga decor na ilalagay nyo. Like for me, ito yung hero, yung aming wedding photo frame. Okay? And another tip is when you are putting your decors, huwag nyo lang siyang ihilera ng isang direction lang. Like, when you're styling, it can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. But, the most important thing is you find the balance in terms of the heights and the shapes. Okay? So, if you notice, I have here yung mga matataas na items, decor items, like the clay jug, yung flower. Okay, and I have also medium sized, yan.